Well, I wasn't planning on doing a Buick Envista video again already, but here we are. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Happy Thursday evening. Long story short, I was watching the wife's new Buick, and it's still weird that we own a Buick and it looks nothing like a Buick. In any case, while watching it, I was checking the parameters and the fuel consumption. I have it set to average every 400 miles, previous miles, whatever. It read 39 miles per gallon average. I was kind of shocked because it's rated at 32 highway, right? Sometimes a manufacturer will be a little conservative and maybe you can get 33 or 34 if you're lucky. No, this thing's set 39. I'll show you here in a minute. I'm not sure if I believe it because that's crazy. And my wife does drive 30 miles one way to work, very minimal stop and go traffic. She averages about 60 miles on the highway. So we're gonna do a real world test. It's late in the evening. I got a 55-mile circuit we're gonna do around the Beltway here in my city. We'll go to the gas station, fill it up, do exactly 55 or so miles, and then we'll see how much gas it takes. We'll do a little formula, miles driven per gas used, and that'll give us a real life miles per gallon, if that makes sense. I've done this before in my Mini Cooper just for fun. That returned, I think, 37 on the highway, and my C5Z actually got 32 on the highway. So I want to see if we can get over 40. If we're just really careful with it, I'm going to go in the slow lane. I'm gonna do about 58 miles an hour. That's your best return speed. Yeah, this would be kind of crazy if we can get over 40 in a crossover that's not a hybrid for $30,000. Pretty nuts. All right, let's go get the keys and fucking mosquitoes, man. I thought they would be gone. It's cold. They go away, you know. Got it. Did I get it? Anyways, yeah. So let's go get the keys, hop in the car, go gas up, go for a ride, and see what our fuel return is. This really is a good-looking car. Still can't believe it's a Buick. Love it. All right, let me show you real quick. I'm not a liar here. Probably changed. Okay, so yeah, it's a little bit. So the best she's averaged is 41, which is crazy. And it's averaging 38. It was 39 over the weekend. Again, this thing is rated from the factory at 32. So that's pretty astonishing. But we're going to do a real world test and see if that's accurate. Oh, total side note, so my wife already has 3,200 miles in this car. She drives a lot for work, like 70 miles a day. So perfect car for her. And also this thing only, even though it's turbo, it takes regular 87 gas, which is outstanding. All right, let's get fueled up real quick. All right, hopefully you guys can see me okay. And yes, the car is on. This car is so quiet, there's like no vibration at all, which is a pretty good feat in a 3-cylinder. If you know anything about 3 cylinders, they're very hard to balance. So the fact they got to balance both the idle and cruising, outstanding. All right, so we're off. I'll do a fun little time lapse. It'll be 2 minutes for you, about 45 minutes for me. So I guess on the way home, we got to fill up across the street or find another pump that's open. Makes it a little more dynamic, but we'll figure it out. Almost forgot to reset my my trip here, so I reset it, so we are good to go with exact mileage when I fuel up again. All right, quick little update. You can see me, at least you can hear me. We are 15 miles in, and so far we're averaging 39.3 miles to the gallon. I really want to hit 40 by the time we're done. About 35% of the way there, so we'll see. It's kind of fun trying to beat it, you know? So, yeah, in this car, I'm going 63, and it's like whisper quiet in here. I can't hear a damn thing. So, and again, this is not a real world situation. This is perfect conditions, perfect temperature, zero traffic. I'm just trying to see what this thing can do. You know what I mean? All right, let me press on. All right, quick sit rep. We are exactly halfway right now. You're not gonna believe this. I am averaging 40.6 miles per gallon. I'm not using cruise control. I'm just feathering the throttle. The sweet spot is 59 miles an hour, I've noticed. That's returning the best. That's not like real time. That's average so far for almost 30 miles. It's 40.6 miles per gallon. That's stupid. It's crazy. All right, I'm gonna press on. I'll see you guys at the gas station. It's exactly 62.1 miles. The exit I would have got off on, they're doing construction. So I had to do about 2 miles of stop and go traffic added into this average. I'm pretty impressed with this. I'm pretty happy. I'll turn you around and show you what the computer says. So according to the Buick, we just averaged pretty much 43 miles to the gallon for 62 miles. Average speed was about between 58 and 63. I did stop twice, and there's a couple times I had to decrease speed to about 45 due to construction. That's pretty incredible. Look over here, the little thing. This thing barely moved. I really think if I hyper milled this thing for a full road trip, we could probably get 600 miles out of 13 gallons. Pretty incredible. So I'm gonna fill up the tank. Given this math, it should be 1.3 gallons and some change. And if it is, we know this is correct. So let me go find out. All right, so it clicked at 1.5. So it should have been 1.45. So it's a little off between the two. Yeah, it should have been 1.41 to be accurate. That's 1.5. So realistically, we probably averaged, well, I'll do a little calculation real quick. All right, well, according to the online formula, we averaged 41.2 gallons. There is gonna be some error between the pump reading, the car itself. There's lots of little things, but I'm gonna say we averaged 42 miles to the gallon on the highway. Keep in mind, this car from the factory is rated at 32. 10 over that, that's pretty astounding. Again, this is perfect conditions, but my wife has been averaging 38 combined, which is pretty incredible. But yeah, so if you're in the market for a car, I love the car. We've had it for a month now, plenty of miles on it, no issues yet, knock on wood. If you're gas conscious, gas is not cheap. This thing is great. It's pretty much hybrid type numbers out of a just gasoline motor. We did cross shop the RAV4 hybrid. We would have spent probably 12 to 15K more for that with all the leather and the hybrid, etc., because of the MPGs. But man, this thing for 30K with over 40 highway, not too bad on regular 87 pump gas. Pretty cool. So I hope you guys found this informative. Again, I was not planning on doing another Buick video until something broke, oil change, or the 6-month update. So I will see you guys hopefully again at the 6-month updates, that nothing goes wrong. So, all right, guys, this was kind of fun. I'll probably do the C8 next week. I'm kind of curious what I can get on that guy. I have no idea. So, all right, guys, take care. I'll see you guys next time.